In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Cyberghost Vpn on your Android device. Whether you're seeking privacy, security, or simply a way to enjoy content from across the globe, Cyberghost VPN is a fantastic option. So, grab your Android phone and let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by visiting the Cyberghost VPN website. Open up your preferred web browser on your Android and type in the official Cyberghost site. This is your one-stop hub for all things related to Cyberghost. The website is designed to be user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. Once you're on the homepage, let's move forward. Next, locate the My Account section. It's usually found at the top right of the homepage. Click or tap on My Account to proceed. This will direct you to the Login section where you can access your personal account details. If you're not logged in yet, don't worry. Our next step will cover that. Now, it's time to log in to your account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the Login section. If you're new to Cyberghost, you'll need to create an account before proceeding further. Once you're logged in, you'll be navigated to the Cyberghost homepage, where you can find all the relevant options. Once at the Cyberghost home, our next stop is the Download Hub. You'll find various download links here, tailored to different platforms. This is where we begin focusing specifically on your Android device setup. In the Download Hub, you'll notice a variety of categories. Click on the Mobile apps. The mobile section ensures that you have easy access to downloadable links for all sorts of mobile devices. Here, you'll be able to pinpoint the specific version necessary for your device. The final step requires you to click on Android. This action will initiate the download of the Cyberghost VPN app directly onto your Android device. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to successfully install the application. The installation process is generally straightforward, but do ensure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth download. Once installed, open the app and follow the in-app instructions to set it up. You might be prompted to accept the terms and conditions or to customize certain settings, depending on your preference. With these final touches, you'll have a fully functional VPN protecting your device, ensuring your browsing is private, secure, and unrestricted. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and set up Cyberghost VPN on your Android. Enjoy surfing the web with added security and enhanced freedom. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.